Hello everyone, I'm here to explain my video. What I'm doing is just letting you know all that I'm cooking 4 days vegetable, beef and it's beef liver as well. So what I did is I'm showing you first how to wash properly the vegetables. Usually we do wash with the little water or something, but we need to, as you can see, I'm washing thoroughly all the vegetable and drying it, so that way bacteria get killed properly. So I'm using light warm water. So this is the spinach, broccoli. I have broccoli, spinach today, so you can see a lot of water I'm using to wash properly. So main thing is you need to know how to wash the vegetable and other food, for example all the meats and everything. So once you have that wash and dry it immediately, let it dry, so it give you a good cooking process too. So first I'm actually washing these vegetables and drying it too. So the spinach washed, the broccoli washed. Now I'm washing carrots. So what happens is if you're not washing properly, you might have dust, you might have insect in it. So you need to be very carefully wash. You don't have to to pressurize the wash. Just slow down and simple way wash it, so that way food should be without the insect or bacteria. Now I'm showing you spinach with tuna fish. So this is very healthy, and tuna fish obviously very good for health. And I'm just using onion and chili, garlic paste, and salt if you like, and that is a really healthy thing. Now I'm cooking now already dried broccoli, same as I'm using the garlic broccoli. So only the garlic, most of the garlic I have given or using it for it. So you don't have to cook too much, just high heat, and cook the broccoli on the high heat with onion, mostly, as I said, garlic. Is a garlic broccoli, so it's healthy too, so you can eat this way. Don't cook too much. Now I'm going to wash this bean, which is everyone loves it and I love very much, and this is also another healthy vegetable. And remember, you don't have to cook too much vegetables. You just have to, in a high heat, you can cook it in high heat, and do not leave it with a lid constantly. Remember, do not put the lid on the cooking. So I'm again washing very well with a lot of water, and then I'm gonna take out the unwanted any part of this bean. So it's a very healthy and green bean. This green always a good healthy food, vegetable or food, you can say. So I have washed it. I am washing a little bit of spray wash. So then I'm gonna dry it for a few minutes or something like that. Then when you cook it, there is no enough water, so it will give you not a good cooking anyway. So washing first, and then take out all the bad parts. Then I'm washing just a little bit of thing, and then now I have, because I'm cooking with the dry prawn, very little dry prawn. So I'm washing this because dry prawn has a lot of sand. So I need to take out the sand in one or twice washing. Don't mushy it. Don't pressurize it. And then I put onion, chili slice, green chili slice, tomato, and prawn itself. So again, you can see it. I am not cooking very, with the lid or something. In high heat, I'm cooking it and it will be green as it is. So it is another yummy cooking and healthy. So you can eat often beans or other beans different. So it's, look, this is completely green. I did not let it, colorless, full of color and green. Look at that, how good it's looking. Now I'm going to cook mixed vegetable. I need onion, other garlic paste, and you can see I have here garlic paste, ginger paste, a powder actually, and then turmeric and cumin seed, cumin powder, 2 onions and green chili in a very little oil. You don't have to use too much oil. So cooking is best in less oil. If you can avoid oil what you need, more than that you don't need it. So I put a prawn here. It's a raw prawn. I cooked before is a dry prawn. This one is raw prawn because I'm preparing raw prawn with mixed vegetable. In a mixed vegetable, I have eggplant, I have potato, carrot, cucumber, and zucchini. So about I put 5 or 6 items. You can put more, but do not put too many, so the taste will go away. So this is all about looking so good. I did not put too much spices, just whatever you need, looking good, because otherwise you will kill the color. Do not try to kill the color, because excessive powder or paste will take away the food color. So remember that. And I did not put any water yet. Cooking on the less oil. So now I'm showing you, it's called bitter melon. So I boiled it 2 types. One is ripe bitter melon, one is green. So I'm gonna paste it with the onion and other spice. Now I'm going to cook Osooboko-Beef Osooboko. So I'm washing very lightly. I'm not pushing it up, because you do not wash too much beef. Beef is washing just one time slightly, nicely. Do not push it. Okay, so always you wash beef less. Now I have, onion, other stuff like, see, I can put in the pan first onion slice, paste, and rosemary stick, and other, if you like I put it in cumin seed, cumin powder, red chili, not turmeric powder. Do not add turmeric powder. Then I put all the spices down and put all the beef Osooboko size on the spice. Now you can shake it up a little bit and add the oil as well, salt as you like. Now it's completely cooked. It looks good. It's very healthy for the body. Now I'm going to cook now. Everyone likes it. I'm gonna cooking now is beef liver. So I need garlic paste, onion slice, and cumin powder, and yellow powder, and turmeric powder, and little bit of 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, and just as it is cooked. See, I'm not using too much spices. So this is the way you can keep your valuable ingredients proper way, cook proper way. You don't have to use too much spices. So I'm cooking very lightly and it will be so yummy. Okay? Also don't forget to add ginger powder or paste. So I'm just doing, you don't have to cook liver too hard way. It's cooked already. It took about 15 minutes or less. Now all cooked. What I did is, because kids also eat this, I put it a little bit of tomato sauce on it. It gives you yummy, tasty. Enjoy, guys.